name's Natasha and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. I am so happy to actually get some makeup done. I haven't done makeup in a long time because I'm in the process of having my house remodeled, and I also started a business and it's making soap. So I have a soaping business and that's been really keeping me busy. It's so much fun. I actually have another channel which has me making some soap. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put the link in my description box below. Now back to the makeup. This is a requested makeup for me to do Lion King's Vitani. I'll put the person who requested this makeup on my screen. And I just wanted to let you guys know that if you guys have requested any other makeups, I am in the process of working on those, especially you, Mike. I am working on those makeups. So with no further ado, keep watching to see how I did this Vitani makeup. Hey guys, I am back and I am going to put on these ears with some spirit gum from Cameleon. So I'm applying this spirit gum on both sides of my forehead in a line going down, and then I'm going to try to stick this foam ears that I created on the sides of my head and just hold it there for a little bit until it sticks. And then I'm using some white Paradise paint to do a rough draft of where I want Vitani's face to be on my face. And as always, guys, I forgot to mention that I'm wearing a strapless dress, and for all my videos I normally use a reference photo, and I'm using one here, and that's what I'm doing. So when doing animated and cartoon characters, I usually have a hard time finding these characters facing forward, so I kind of have to improvise. You know, sometimes I'll take a screenshot of a video while they're in motion, and you know, I think I did this one, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so you know, it's a little improvisation here in the way I think her mouth's gonna look and whatnot. But right here I am using a tan from Paradise, and that's going to be her muzzle part, and then a light pink from Paradise as well. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I really like Paradise paints. They smell really cool. They smell like coconut. Well guys, I'm so happy and it really feels good to get back into doing some painting. It seems like I haven't painted in forever, and I can feel it. I feel like I'm rusty, and it was kind of hard to get back into swing of things. But you know, a couple of weeks I think I'll be able to get a schedule going and get some of those requests out, and then Halloween's right around the corner, so maybe I can get back into it and do some more cool makeups for you guys. So right here I am using an orange color called Tiger. I'm not sure if it's from Cameleon or Diamond Effects. I will definitely put all of the products that I am using in my description box below, so if you guys have any questions, it will be in that box. For Vitani's chest area, I'm using that same tan color from Paradise that I used for her muzzle, and then for the teeth I used Wolfe Brothers white and that same pink from Paradise. It's light pink for her tongue, and then for inside of her mouth I'm using this really awesome red that's also from Paradise. So I've done a ton of the Lion King characters, and when I'm doing the lions, they are basically the same, but what makes them different from each other are their eyes, the color of their eyes, and of course, you know, their color of themselves as well, but you know, mainly their eyes. And her eyes are yellow inside, even though I've seen some where her eyes are white, which is really weird, but okay. So she's got yellow eyes, and around the eyes she has brown, and then her eyes are actually this purplish color, a lavender color. So I'm using yellow from Paradise, and around her eyes I used brown, and that is brown from Fab, and it's called Indian brown. And then I'm gonna outline the mouth and teeth area with black, and also to around her eyes as well. And I'm just looking at the photo, and that's what's going on, is that everything that I'm outlining in black is in black, and then I decided to just go with the actual photo. So to do the detail work, I'm using that Indian brown from Fab. I'm gonna do her hair with that, and then trace around her nose and her muzzle. But I did decide later on that I didn't like the way the nose looked, so I went in with the black and just outlined it with the black. Now it's time to take out that black on a bigger brush and darken out any negative spot, and that is the spots that are not the lion. And I'm going to go ahead and do the sides of my neck, my shoulder, the sides of my jawline, the top of my head, and I almost forgot her nose area. So I'm going to go in and do some detail work around her nose and above her eyes, right under like her hair or her fur. And then here's where I decided to change it to black because I wasn't happy with the way the nose looked. Now for the eyes, I use this dauber that I got from Walmart, and I use some violet from Paradise, and then I went ahead and decided I was going to use some of this eyeshadow on top of that so it did not mess up when I blinked. And I tried to mix a color that was similar to that, so I used blue and purple. And then on top of that, I used some Cameleon black to outline and also for the pupil of her eyes. And then I went in with some white as well and tried to kind of highlight it because I think it got kind of dull. And then I add some white dots to her eyes. And as always, guys, you guys are amazing, and I really appreciate all your support. And I'll see you on my next makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching me do this makeup of Vitani from the Lion King. I have many more Lion King makeups. I'll put the links in my description box below, or you can check them out in my series of Lion King makeups. If you want to be part of the Only in Your Mind family and want to get notified of my latest videos, hit that subscribe button and that little bell. And guys, I would like to thank you again for supporting everything that I do, and I will see you guys on my next makeup.